How far my people, how una dey, wetin dey sup? Yeah, I hope say una dey bear with us for the bear market. Yeah, see if you just take $1 or $2 for your wallet there, make you go use am drink beer, make you. See today, I go like make we talk about wetin dey sup for the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Yeah, this thing na investment, anything fit happen. I dey always tell a lot of people, take cryptocurrency like say na normal business. No be all business go blow up and no be all business go come down, shey you get. And another thing be say if you wan invest on anything, try dey do better research. Even after your research, if the thing wey you wan invest on good, no mean say dem no go flop or dem no go get issue in the future, shey you understand. Now the one wey I wan come give you today be say if you dey invest, no think say this thing na 100%. Nothing be 100% for this life. Nothing be 100%. Anything fit happen. Anything fit happen. No put all your money for one investment. No put all your money for one investment. I wan say many people now, dem don get issue because of wetin sup to Luna. Yes, Luna don wreck a lot of people. Luna don send a lot of people to village. Luna don put a lot of people to debt. Some don even commit suicide. Our own no go be like that. So na my warning be this to you again. If you wan call people make dem come invest, tell them if you make this money, shey you go owe me. If you lose this money, shey you go owe me. If you wan invest wetin you fit afford to lose. Shey you understand? Invest wetin you fit afford to lose. See, even any financial market, make we no even talk of crypto now, because generally everything na financial market. Shey you get? You dey do business, anything fit happen. Shey you dey get the point? Anything fit happen. So one again, no dey put all your money for one basket. No dey put all your money for one basket. If na USDT you dey use before, divide am into other stable coins. Yes, shey you understand? So na my own little cent be that to everybody.